In this lecture, we're going to be taking up the issues on sex and gender differences as laid out in Chapter 14. We'll be looking at the sociological perspective on gender and gender differences, as well as the consequences and the causes of gender stratification and inequalities. We'll address a couple of questions, one set of questions on what kinds of gender-based inequalities exist in Canadian society, and what are the causes of gender stratification in Canada. Our first objective is to understand the difference between gender and sex and to look at gender from a sociological perspective. If we wish to understand the complexities of gender and the relationship between gender and sex, being able to exercise a sociological imagination, that is, being able to understand the interplay between the personal and the public, between private issues and public problems, is a valuable asset. Gender is the sense of being male or female, typically with reference to masculine and feminine, social and cultural roles, rather than to biological differences. We can think of gender as an achieved status. Sex, on the other hand, is stood as either of the two main categories, male and female, into which humans are divided on the basis of their reproductive functions. Sex is an ascribed status for many people. However, sex, it can be an achieved status for transsexual persons.